Welcome to our video on commercial vehicle insurance. As a business owner, your company's vehicles play a critical role in your daily operations. But have you considered the potential risks and uncertainties you face on the road? This video will shed light on the importance of protecting your commercial vehicles. Join us as we explore the world of commercial vehicle insurance and how it can safeguard your business on the road. Accidents can happen to anyone, regardless of their driving skills. Now imagine the consequences if one of your commercial vehicles were involved in an accident. The financial burden and potential legal liabilities can be devastating for any business. This is where commercial vehicle insurance can become your greatest ally. Commercial vehicle insurance provides coverage against physical damage, bodily injury, and property damage caused by accidents involving your business vehicles. Whether it's a small delivery van or a fleet of trucks, having the right insurance ensures that your business won't suffer financial setbacks due to unexpected incidents on the road. Liability coverage. This provides protection for bodily injury or property damage caused by your commercial vehicles. It covers medical expenses, legal defense fees, and property repairs or replacements. Collision coverage. In the event of an accident, this coverage helps pay for repairs or replacement of your commercial vehicles, regardless of fault. Comprehensive coverage. This protects your vehicles from non-accident-related incidents such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, and more. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. If your vehicle is involved in an accident caused by an uninsured or underinsured driver, this coverage ensures that you are still financially protected. With these coverage options, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing that your business is shielded from potential risks and financial losses. Your commercial vehicles are not only assets for your business, but also vital tools that keep your operations running smoothly. Without proper insurance, a single accident or theft could jeopardize your assets and hinder your ability to serve your customers. Commercial vehicle insurance safeguards your business assets by providing financial support to repair or replace damaged vehicles, ensuring that you can get back on the road quickly without significant financial strain. This protection keeps your business continuity intact and maintains the trust of your customers. Don't let the unexpected threaten your business. Invest in commercial vehicle insurance and secure the future of your company on the road. Contact us today and let our expert team guide you in finding the right insurance coverage for your commercial vehicles. Protect your business. Protect your vehicles. Protect your future.